What's up, everybody? My name is Dallas, and today I'm going to teach you how to scream like this. First things first, we want to warm up. We want to always make sure we're warmed up before we're doing crazy BS like this, because it can be really harsh on the throat. So make sure you're warming up. I don't care whose warm up you use, just make sure you're warming up. Now, secondly, when we listen to that, we need to analyze, what do we think Will is doing here? Now, I know what he's doing here, and what he's doing here is he's using a tunnel throat variant. A tunnel throat variant of a fry scream. So if we're going to build our sound to be similar to this, we know that we need to start with a fry scream. Now, if you can't fry scream, I have a bunch of videos on it, but we're going to recap really quickly. So we're going to start from our fry vocal register. It sounds like this. Ba, ha. You can just get there by talking really lazy. Or you can bat like a sheep. Ba, ba. Now, what we want to do is we want to walk that up higher into our vocal range. Ha, 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 ha. You can kind of hear I start to hit a hard wall, and I can feel the engagement very up high in the roof of my mouth, up in my hard palate. Now, to get our breath support there, I've often used the term of like, we want to kind of we can feel it from our core. But today, I've kind of got a different way for that. What we're going to do is we're going to imagine we're yelling at somebody from far away. So, hey, hey, hey. You can kind of feel when I do that, when I get the power to kind of yell like that, it's coming from my core. So we're going to take that feeling and add it into that fry tone. So from the very beginning, ha, 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 yeah. Now, we need to understand what a tunnel throat is. All a tunnel throat is we're using our tongue to manipulate the sound. It can come from just our standard high fry scream or our standard mid fry scream. What we're gonna do is we're gonna move our tongue placement around in our mouth to find where the most optimal spot to get this interesting noise is. I'm gonna save you some time, and where we're gonna put our tongue is we're gonna put our tongue into our cheek, like so. Ha. So, secondarily, what we wanna do is we wanna start with that fry buzz. Ha. And you can hear that the tone changes as I move my tongue around. We want to keep moving our tongue around until we get a satisfactory undertone like this. You can hear the tone changes pretty aggressively. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into my standard fry scream, and then I'm going to move my tongue around to demonstrate how moving your tongue makes a difference. Now, to get exactly the noise that we're looking for here that Will is demonstrating, we're going to take our tongue, we're going to put it into our cheek. You can pick either side. I'm going to pick this side. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to push my tongue in one direction, and I'm going to push my mouth in the other direction, like this. And then I'm going to scream out of this side of my mouth, the opposite side from which my tongue is. Ha, 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 You can see how as I articulate my mouth over here, it changes the tone too. That's what he's doing here. So, you just gotta play around with it. It's a really fun technique. Once you learn how to fry scream, I really encourage you to just move your tongue around. You can find a lot of different variants of tunnel throat. I'll give you some examples. They're all just fry screams. They're all just coming from my mid-fry. I'm not doing anything different tonally with my voice. I still feel the engagement high up in my hard palate because I'm using my high scream, and all I'm doing is moving the tongue. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. And if you have any suggestions, also leave them down in the comments. We're posting every single week, so if you'd like to learn how to scream, hit the subscribe button. Have a good day. Yeah!